See the hammer?
I want to get a crow hop into the hammer jaw.
Like Miracle Crow Cop?
Yeah, like baseball.
Oh my gosh, I thought you were going.
Oh, it's going.
I want to see you though. I want to see. I thought no, go right there. Stand against the wall.
I gotta get it.
Oh, you gonna take a breather? You gotta get prepared. It's a big time for you. It's a big time. Oh, it's a dip chew. Who needs a dip chew?
No, watch it bounce right off the wall.
Oh, it's going to. Oh, wait. Alright.
So excited.
I'm so scared. Like, what the hammer comes back on my camera and I'm gonna be on Failblog.
Watch me miss it and go right through the window.
Oh shit. Please don't miss. Watch it go through the little hole.
Alright.
What'd you hit?
What, it clipped this before I threw it.
Oh my gosh. Come on, Nancy boy. I remember my first day.
Alright, start it over.
No, let's just keep it rolling. I'll edit it later.
No, you won't.
I won't. Alright. Where'd it go?
It fucking bounced right off of it.
I believe it.
Look at it.
Is that it? Well, you gotta center mass that, dude. Come on. God.
You know what?
Please don't let the
sledge.
Please don't let the guy raised by women show you how to do it. That's much better. Well done, sir. Well done. I'm not even mad. Did any of that get in the damn garbage can?
Oh, dude, he hit me right under the eye.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Do we have bleedage? Let me see.
No,
Do we have bleedage? Is this okay? Is this okay? Then we're good.
Then we're good. Oh, man.
Alright, how do you feel?
Better.
You feel like the Tomahawk champion?
No, you know what? I think the performance wasn't all that great. I think we needed a heavier hammer. Look at the abuse this hammer.
Look, you even broke
the hammer. Oh, we lost the claw.
That's never good. Alright.
Tough blast.
This has been Demolition Day.